All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the Andery MagSafe car mount here. It's gonna cost you around $26 on Amazon with Prime shipping. Andery was kind enough to send this out for review. But one thing that's very impressive about this is that this is the #1 bestseller on Amazon when it comes to cell phone automobile cradles. So it's got almost 20,000 reviews. They also won the Silver 2025 award for American Good Design. So all in all, guys, it's a pretty impressive piece of hardware here that you can use for your phone and, you know, anything obviously that has MagSafe or built-in magnets. So let's go ahead and with the power of editing, let's show you what comes inside the box. And there we go. So got a lot going on here. This is the main attraction. I'm going to put it to the side. Came with this here, which I really am not sure exactly what it is. It's very sticky. I think maybe what it is once you take this off and it's very sticky and you're not using it, maybe you can adhere it on here so that way it doesn't lose its stickiness maybe. I'm not sure. This is also something that is pretty dang impressive that I haven't seen before. Obviously I've seen MagSafe, you know, rings that you can add to a phone or a phone case, but I haven't seen them ever include a metal ring locator card, which literally goes on your phone and helps you locate where the MagSafe should be. So that way it's on there nice and neat. So pretty cool. Never seen that before. And then also it comes with just some basic stuff, some wipes and stuff to clean the phone or whatever you're adhering that to. And then just talks about like compatible phones. And then there's even kind of like a breakdown of that installation there for the MagSafe ring. So comes with all that, but here's the main attraction here. So as you can see here, guys, very, very simple design. One thing I absolutely love is the carbon fiber styling on the ring. N55 magnets here, so it can hold up to 50 pounds, which is very impressive considering, you know, it's a little MagSafe mount here. And then also with this ridiculously sticky NASA-inspired nano gel, it's got 78 pounds of suction force, so crazy sticky. Like they sent me 2 of these and I've been testing one of these in my vehicle for the last 2 weeks and it has not budged at all. And one thing that's really good about this is it's can withstand like extreme temperatures. So if it's hot, cold, which I'll test here because it's been fairly hot here in Texas, and I'll test to see if it leaves any sticky residue, which the claim to fame with this is that it doesn't. And that's like the #1 complaint with these types of MagSafe car mounts is that it leaves something sticky behind, and they're saying this one does not. But the construction of it is very well made. The hinge on this is very, very stiff, which I love because even when you're driving, that means that it is not going to move. And so while you're hitting bumps and all that, this hinge is going to stay exactly where you want it. And what I really love is since it is rotatable like this, if you had it on your dash and you wanted to have like your phone facing you like in a landscape mode, you could totally do that. But once again, you can kind of mount it however you want, and it is rotatable, which is another thing that I absolutely love. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, we do have kind of a lock and unlock. And essentially what that means is that when you're doing this, it's suctioning down. So that way it's doing that magnetic force where it's really not going to move anywhere. Because to be honest with you, the stickiness alone does a really good job. I mean, it's insanely sticky. You definitely need to use the little tab thing that they put on here because you gotta like put some force into it to pull it off. And it didn't leave any residue on my desk either. And so one thing I really like is being able to just slap it on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra here, and it's going to hold the weight extremely well. So with the magnet strength on here, I mean, it's finding it very well and it's not coming off. I've used this for 2 weeks now with this device, various different cases with MagSafe capabilities, and it's completely passed with flying colors. And yeah, cannot complain at all. And then like I said, you can rotate it where like if I wanted it to kind of be facing me like this, or if I wanted it to kind of be at a different angle, this has been working just fine. And really so far, like I said, just impressed with this. Like I said, it's so simple. It's so simple. But then whenever you're done, you can just put it like that. So now what I'm gonna do is, since we've shown you what it looks like, let's go outside. I'm gonna show you where it's been mounted in my vehicle, and we're gonna take it off. We're gonna see if it leaves any residue behind or any ring or anything like that. And then, yeah, we'll get it wrapped up. All right, guys, so here it is installed in my vehicle. So as you can see here, it's just kind of naturally just sitting here on this center portion here. Because for me, when I'm using Android Auto, if I'm on my S26 Ultra or my iPhone 17 Pro and doing CarPlay, then this is where I want it. Because when I'm sitting in my vehicle, you know, I usually have something mounted right here, but right here is where I want it, because I need to hook up to Android Auto, because unfortunately this car doesn't have wireless, but it does have plug-in. But as you can see here, guys, I've had this on for 2 weeks and this does not move at all. So what I want to do is I want to test it out and see how well does this stay on. So what I want to do is test this out and see if I take this off, is it going to leave any residue? Like I said, it's been 2 weeks in the Texas heat. And one thing to point out is you definitely need to use this bad boy right here. So let's see if I can get this angle, because I want to see it peel off when I do this. But let's look and see. Let's unlock it and let's go ahead and peel. So very, very sticky. Oh, here we go. So you can see there. All right, moment of truth. Literally nothing, guys. No residue. Super, super happy with that. Like, very, very excited about that. All right, so the other thing that we can do here is slap it on the windshield. So if we just kind of throw it on there without even locking it in, it's on there good. But let me go ahead and lock that in. And now this thing is not moving, guys. Like, it is on there, rotates just fine. I'll slap on my S26 Ultra. Boom. And what I like about it, like I said, is I can rotate it and have it where if I wanted it like angled towards me a little bit better, then I could do something like that. Or I can have it, you know, up if I wanted it like that. But the strength is very good. It literally does not fall off at all. And then, like I said, you can just get really creative with it. And then if you want to take it off, we'll just unlock it real quick. And then peel it. And once again, we'll have to put some force into it. And then no residue. So, gotta say, guys, very, very impressed with this here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just slap it back on here. Try to put it back where I had it. Lock it in, and boom. There we go. But like I said, the construction's great. Got the Andery branding there, but just holds on really, really nicely, guys. Like, I'm very impressed. I mean, it is such a simple thing, and literally it performs very well. You know, I mean, at the end of the day, like I said, you see so many of these on Amazon, but with it actually doing what it says it does, holds on very well, doesn't leave any sticky residue. It's just a no-brainer if you're looking for something to actually mount in your vehicle. So with all that being said, guys, if you're interested, like I said, go ahead and scoop it up with the Amazon link down below. And big thank you and shout out to Andery once again for sending this out for review. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.